Hey guys, welcome to Gaia 5D. On this channel, we talk about holistic green living. If you're new, consider subscribing. Okay, today we are making a new smoothie recipe that I found in this book called The All Day Energy Diet. On day one of this 7-day plan, it has a smoothie recipe called the Green Machine. So as you can imagine, you're getting all of your greens in this smoothie, but with the addition of a pear and an apple and banana and some lime juice, it actually doesn't taste too much like vegetables. So I thought I would share it with you guys because it's really tasty and obviously very nutritious. At any rate, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you want to throw into your Vitamix or high-powered blender would be a banana. Next, you're gonna put in 1 green apple. You're gonna core the apple first. Obviously, you don't need to peel it. Now, I love this apple corer by Pampered Chef. It just cores the apple and puts it all into little slices in one swift, easy move. Amazing. Okay, so your cored and sliced apple in the Vitamix. Then you're gonna slice up a pear. Basically, you just slice it up, take the seeds out, and you're good to go. Okay, next, the juice of 1 lime. So you're gonna chop your lime in half, and if you're lucky enough to have this handy little tool that I do, your life is gonna be so much easier. So this is a citrus press. It has a smaller section for pressing limes and a larger section for pressing lemons. So handy. Okay, so lime. Squished. So easy. All right, next step is hemp seeds. 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Hey guys, if you're getting value out of this video, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new material. Next, you're gonna put in an entire bunch of kale. I know that sounds crazy, but trust me, it still tastes amazing. So you're obviously going to remove the kale from the stalks, wash it well, and then you'll throw it into the Vitamix with everything else. Now, if you can't get the entire head in there, that's okay. Just get in what you can. And then you're gonna add 2 cups of obviously filtered water and blend very well. All right, check it out. It really is a green machine. It's bright and green and obviously full of awesome vitamins and minerals. Check it out. Okay, I know it looks green. And you think, oh no, this isn't gonna taste good. But the apple, the tartness of the apple and the lime and then the pear, the banana, it just cancels out the whole vegetable taste. This is actually so yummy. You guys gotta give it a try. And obviously mix up your smoothie routine. Now, if you guys want any of the equipment that was in the making of this video, I will include all of that in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a fantastic day.